Hi guys, it's Lily. Welcome to my studio. We're going to do another abstract painting tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, what I did here was I did make some marks and outlined the abstract painting here with some dark lines. I did that in this format, the portrait format, and then I turned it a few times and decided I like this format, so it's going to be more of an abstract landscape painting. I don't like to commit to any one thing before I start. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put light against dark and dark against light. So let's see what I want to do with the outside right away. I think I will put some, well, let's go down here. So I think I'm going to keep it in just two colors plus white, two basic colors I should say. So that I'm going to use a couple of blues and some white. And I love blending my colors in abstracts just because they are pleasing to the eye and it gives them a little more something to look at than just blocked in colors. In some areas I will use blocked in colors, and because I'm painting in acrylic, I go over the colors a couple of times because they no paper towel. Because they dry so fast, I am not using a blending agent, so I have to kind of go back over them when they're wet. I mean when they're dry. So let's leave that. Let's do this over here too. So I'm not committed to anything right now. I don't have it all planned out in my head. I planned out the composition and the color scheme. And I like to use the biggest brush possible to work with, because I do like the painterly effect of things. Let's see how I'm going to get this. That was cobalt blue with white that I just used, and this is a Prussian blue. And my focal point is right in here. So I want to put the darkest dark against the lightest light. Okay, for the rest of the video, I am going to put in titles so that I don't have to talk while I'm painting, and you should put your own music on. And I'm going to speed up the video and go ahead and put in titles. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys really help me out by giving me likes and sharing my videos. Of course, this painting is for sale. It's $25, which includes shipping to the US. They go pretty fast, so just look in the description for my email and the PayPal account. Click through and you'll be able to send me $25 and I'll be able to send you this great abstract painting. Thanks a lot, guys. Be creative every day. Bye-bye.